Does your child have a ball? Then I have an activity for you. Welcome back, EdelKampers, to another Tuesday Teachable Moment, where we explore, experience, and educate together. Today's Teachable Moment was brought to you by a ball flying through the air. Fred and I were at the pool today, and I saw this beach ball, and it made me think about an activity that I used to do with my children at school, as well as my own children. We're going to use a beach ball today. However, you can use a basketball, a football, just a regular kickball, and you can do it at home, at the beach, on the basketball court, wherever you want to. Once you have your ball, what you're going to do is think also, what do you want to teach your child? If it's a young child, you might want to teach them the alphabet, and so you would want to write letters all over your ball, like A, B, C, D. A little bit older child might be working on sight words, so you can write sight words like can, like. Maybe they're working on color words. Write yellow or orange. Perhaps they are working on vocabulary words. If they're a bit older and they're in the pool and shooting basketball hoops or whatever, write the vocabulary word on there, like ambitious. So now they can not only read it, they can probably tell you what that word means. Once you've written whatever you've decided to work on your ball, you're going to toss that ball with them. If it's a beach ball, if it's a basketball, you can shoot hoops. And once they collect and they grab that ball, you're going to let them take their dominant thumb when they catch that ball, and that's the word they're going to read to you. Or you can, even if you're working on spelling, they can spell it to you and cover it up. So there's a whole lot of things you can do. Just decide what you want to work on. Make it fun. Go to the beach, go to the pool, toss the ball, and work on some words. If you have any ideas or suggestions for me or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.